got a quick video and a contest for you today. We all love our friends at Oakley, right? Even you aren't fascinated by electric toothbrushes, they are good sports who have sponsored some of your favorite videos on this channel. Such classics as Tokyo Hotel Bathroom Smart Toothbrush Review.
Oh, yes. After you select the string, you have to hold the, you have to put your finger, like, I'm going to do it one more time. I chose number 3, right? So I have to hold my thumbs on number 3. And then success. Let me see. Oh, so much better.
And the timeless Guangzhou Hotel Bathroom Smart Toothbrush Review. And as we all know, every extra dollar I make gets spent on more beer and women. So my friends at Oakley understand a good cause when they see one. So I'm in the middle of reviewing this absolutely amazing robot arm setup from Rotrix. There's going to be a full video soon, but I just wanted to show you some stuff I discovered already. Check this out. I should figure out how a toothbrush brush my teeth inside. Now, that's the Oakley AirSonic 2. It feels pretty similar to the other Oakley toothbrushes I've tried in the past on my channel, but without touch screen and stuff. To be honest, I find the touch screen kind of fun and preferred it now. Still, this one is a bit less expensive and does the job just as well. Check the link in the description box. Now, I have a little contest. Let me unbox this and show you. All clear. You know, there's that really old style of electronics where it came in a clear enclosure and you could see what was inside. That's this, only new. I've always thought it was incredibly cool, so Oakley went ahead and made me 4 special edition AirSonic 2 toothbrushes with a clear enclosure. The contest is the 4 people who reply with the best 4 ideas for either a toothbrush demo or a robot demo or both. Get one of these bad girls with the see-through clothing. And there are only 4, so take care of it. What's your idea? Let me know in the comments. And if I think it's a good one, you are a winner. That's it for today. Stay tuned next time as I show you some of the incredible things these Rotrix robots can do. And remember, if I can do it, anyone can do it.